Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a battery status alerts in Pushcut. So I'm going to open the Pushcut app on my iOS device, and when I was just tap on this server, so from here if you little bit scroll down, you will see here is a status alert. So you will go back and just tap on this iOS device of shortcut. So from here you will just tap on this bottom center is automation button. So just tap on it and just create a new automation. So from here you will just select the battery. So when battery level rises above 50% off, I will just tap on it. So from here you will just select that equals 50%, rises above 50% or falls below 50%. So I will just select the falls below 50% and run after confirmation. So I will just tap on this next and just tap on a new blank automation. So from here I will just select the battery and just tap to done. So from here the next step is go back and open the Pushcut app. So in servers you will see the status alert. So just tap on it. So when you just tap on it, so it will say that server extended. So unlock to use advanced scheduling features. So when you just purchase the plan over monthly or annually, so you will be able to run server shortcuts and dynamically schedule delayed actions, wait for long running shortcuts response, and get alerts if you have a server disconnected. So up to 5,000 server requests per day. So make it sure you will just purchase the plan and you will be able to run the battery alert status on Pushka tab. This video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.